Okay, welcome back everyone. Today, first Red Day recap. Um yeah, today was tough. I think I overtraded a little bit. I'm calling it early again. It's Friday. I want to get to work early so I can leave early. And yeah, just kind of was a bit too aggressive today. Not too bad. I'm down $23.59. Um it was I got lucky. I did kind of save myself with a zero here, but I actually really not. I went down quite big on my last trade, or right when zero started popping up. Also, if anyone knows how to organize this window here better, I don't know why it has so many different. I tried to convert it from these Arca to, or from Smart to Nasdaq, but it just the root won't change, and it sells in fractions. It's very annoying. Yeah, I got kind of smoked initially on zero here, right as it was popping. I got in at 840. I was looking for, I got in, where was this? It's going to 10-second here. It's still popping up right now, so what was this time? 8:01:41. Yeah, so I was looking to get a little dip right out here at 850 for hopefully pop back right through the highs. This just came out with news. The news was a FDA approval. I forgot real quick what it was, and then just kind of flushed down, and I got out pretty late. It was 70 cents on 50 shares, which was not good. And yeah, 50 shares, it's not too big of a position, but it's something. I had some issues at the beginning of or end of July, and I really had to cut my share size down. So I'm trying to take it slow, and I'm trying to rebuild the confidence I had from a couple month and a half ago. So yeah, I got smoked there, and then I made it back up on this pop right here. Got in at pretty much 841 at the same price, and yeah, I got 20 cents on 12 shares, or like 28 shares, something like that. And then it went up to 9. I got a little bit out at 9. So I made up pretty much that $30 loss or whatever it was initially. But the first trade was on INHD. Let's go take a look at INHD. So yeah, this was just hoping for this one have news? No. This was a continuation setup from yesterday. So it started popping up here, and yeah, that was not a good trade. I shouldn't have taken that trade. There was no volume. There was no reason for it to be popping, but just with the continuation, maybe thought had a chance. But yeah, so that trade did not work, and then I think yeah, so I lost. So I got in at 53 and it dropped. So I lost 20 something cents a share. So yeah, trying to get in these $half whole dollars, which usually works out really well. But this market right now, you got to be slower and you got to look. It's not obvious. It's not an obvious stock. Then SCAG. This hit the scanners, and I think I was a little bit on an emotional. It was this breakthrough VWAP. I mean, look at how disgusting that is. This break right here. I mean, yeah, that probably should have been seen coming because of how hard it. Well, it did push through VWAP here, but then it rejected 5, 7, 10 minutes later. Like, just kept pushing the whole way down, and so I caught this pop right as it broke to this top right here, 550, and then it just flushed right back down. So yeah, not a good trade. And then I had some struggles on VEEE. This stock, very thick. It's very thickly traded. I think some of my issues was I didn't realize that. So when it's on when it's on short sell restriction like this, I thought that was only for shorting. So for some reason I couldn't get out on the bid, and that was just causing me some issues. So I was doing a little bit of testing. I bought a share, tried to sell out in the bid, and then I guess I learned that even if you're going long, you're still having to place an order on the ask on an uptick, or on the bid on an uptick, or try to get out on the ask. So if anyone knows any ways to get around that with a hotkey, please let me know, because I'm not very sure. But yeah, so down $23. It's not the end of the day. My Ocean One fee came out yesterday, so, or to this morning it came out, so it's what, $130 or something like that. So yeah, $441.93 is my account at right now. Not a ton, but yeah, just trying to chip away, trying to reduce these red days, because that's the problem. The green days aren't the issue. It's how small can you make these red days. So yeah, we'll be back at it Monday morning. Have a good one. Have a good weekend, guys. Thank you for watching.